Hey guys, so in today's video we learned about collagen benefits and how we are able to work it in our hair routine. 5 easy and effective ways. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony and I'm Erica. This video is for you guys because we didn't know we really needed collagen until it was brought to our attention by you guys. We always just kind of like brushed it off and everything. Yeah. You guys would bring it to our attention and stuff like that. So because we were like, oh well, we have keratin or whatever we take, or Ebony takes keratin. Yeah, I take hair gummies with keratin in it, and I was like, oh, we're good, we don't need it. Yeah. First of all, collagen and keratin are not the same. They're both main proteins that your body produces, but in short form explanation, keratin is a protein that's abundant in your hair. Collagen is like the main protein in your body that helps with your ligaments, your bones, your skin, and yes, it even works together with keratin to really help your hair grow strong from your scalp. There's like 16 types of collagen protein, but type 1 and type 3 are the main collagen types that really make up the majority of the protein in your body. Alright, so second of all, we probably do need it. Why we ignored it, I don't know why. But after doing some researching, we'll have the articles listed below where y'all know how we always research. Yeah, so we realized that collagen kind of decreases, we're kind of in the age bracket where collagen decreases. By the way, guess our age is after 25? Yes. Guess our age, put our age in the comments. Yeah, guess our age in the comments. Yeah, you guys have to guess, but a hint. After 25, your body stops producing a lot of collagen as it would if you were like in your teens. So that's why your bones start to feel a little funny, or even your skin, you start to see aging. And then also even you notice like as you get older, your hair just starts getting thinner. Yeah, then you get fine lines and stuff. Yeah, so we actually have what we think are effective ways to choose from to use it. They're pretty easy. So these are the ways that we would use it. We just have 5 different ways for you to choose from that can help you getting the best source of collagen. So I picked up this Biotin and Collagen Thickening Spray by the brand Renpure. I think I'm pronouncing it right. But I really wanted something like a product to solely target my hair and my roots and everything. And since my wash day is coming up soon, I decided to use it. So pretty much all I do is just like part my hair, spray the spray on my roots and everything, go throughout my hair, just parting it, spray it in, and then just massage it all in, and there we go. I was pleasantly surprised because like usually you see biotin and collagen shampoo conditioners, but I've never actually seen a spray for your roots. Yeah. So I was like, okay, well that's easy to use as a leave-in. I can go ahead and use it. All right, now I will say this, even though this product is a good go-to, if anything, it'll help your hair, not hurt it. But it's actually best to get the effects of collagen from the inside out, which means you probably have to eat it or drink it. So yeah, just pay close attention to the other methods that we're about to show you that are a little bit better. Alright, so an easy way and probably the most common way to get collagen into your system would be peptides. I'm using the Sports Research Collagen Peptides unflavored jar. It's in powdered form. And peptides are pretty much collagen bonds broken down so that our bodies can digest them better and just quicker into our system. It's easy to eat or drink. I like making shakes when it starts to get warm outside, so I'll just do 1 scoop in there. Or if you want to eat it, you can sprinkle it over your breakfast, like oatmeal in my case. It's pretty easy, and like I said, this way your body is going to consume like 90% of it in a few hours because of how easily our system can receive it. Another option is in liquid form, which also gets to your body quicker as well. This is the Beauty Chef Collagen Inner Beauty Boost. If powder like the last one I showed you is not your thing, you can use this liquid and make your own collagen water. This is easy to use. Just put 1 tablespoon in your water, mix it or shake it well if you're using a water bottle. And then you have like a nice probiotic blend of collagen, berries, vitamin C that really work to support not only your skin but your hair and nails as well. So now we have gummy supplements. If you guys know our hair routine, you know we take hair, skin, and nail gummies. And I, Ebony, take the beauty ones from the brand Olly. Well, Olly happens to have collagen gummies as well. And no, I'm not replacing my hair, skin, and nail ones. You can actually take these together because these gummies were made to be taken in combo with each other. So I'm getting both hair, skin, and nail benefits along with the added collagen benefits for my skin and my hair. Alright guys, so I'll save this one for last because I need help with this one. Bone broth has been claimed to be a good source of collagen, but when I was looking into it, there were claims about it just being a fad. So while bone broth does contain collagen, it isn't hydrolyzed like the other ones that I showed you, so that means our bodies really won't process it well. And plus there's also claims that there's lead in it, and
all of its benefits are not even scientifically proven to be correct. It's just something that our grandparents told us about. But I mean, people use this for soup all the time, and well, I'm not even a big soup person or a broth person. I do know some of y'all out there drink this on the regular, so just let me know if I'm reaching, being paranoid, or am I justified in not even bothering with this. Just let me know in the comments.
Alright, so this video pretty much introduced you to collagen and how we use it. This product actually works best when it's used consistently. Like anything that we all see on our channel, consistency is key. So in a month from now, we'll probably do an update video, probably in a vlog. So pay attention to our Wednesday vlogs when we put them up. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you subscribe to us as well so you won't miss out any of these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next Sunday. Or wait, no, this Wednesday, like I just said. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.